Are you ready to accept salvation in your life tonight? Jesus is coming again. If you go with me in the book of Revelation, if you can deep down your head and read the book of Revelation, and you will come to understand what is going on in our life today is exactly what is written in the book of Revelation, which means the end is already at hand. What are you waiting for? Are you waiting for the time that the Antichrist will come? Are you waiting the time that the hellfire will be coming from heaven? Is that one going to convince you? I am telling you the reality word of God. I am not here to spread the name of the church. I'm not here to spread the name of my pastor. I am spreading the infallible word of God. If you can understand or read the Revelation, the book of Revelation in the Bible,
there you go.
You will know that what's going on in our society today is what have already revealed in the book of Revelation.
I taught him everything he knows.
Which means
I taught him everything he knows.
the end is at hand.